US markets under heavy selling pressure. Let's get to Peter Tuchman now for a view from the floor. Tucky, it feels like there's nowhere to hide today. Stocks, bonds, metals, Bitcoin all selling off. The only safe haven seems to be the dollars, the preference, and as you say, oil.
And oil. So look, we are coming off a little bit of the lows here. I think the Dow was down in as much as 1,200 points. The S&P tested a December 20 low of 6,700, 6,720. The VIX is obviously approaching, or we got as high as 27 and change. I mean, it's showing, it's reflecting the anxiety in the markets all over. I think what changed in yesterday and today is the dissemination of the information that the Straits of Hormuz are closed. The extent of the war and the reality of what's happening here is so much bigger. You know, look, there are people who are calling for a complete decimation of our markets once the Straits of Hormuz closed and a massive spike, 20-30% in oil. We were in the 60s in oil. Now we're in the 80s in oil. That's 20% already.
What do you do when you see so much red on the screen? Do you hold onto your hats? Do you hit the sell button?
Emotional selling to me is not, has never been the smartest thing to do. If you were smart enough to, after day one, maybe hit some sell buttons, that may have been the way to go. But at this point, you know, is it going to get worse from here? Look, it's hard to say.